fabric out based on your pattern pieces. Place a pin along the edge of the bottom of the pattern piece. Cut along the top edge of the pattern piece. Bring the pins to the top of the pattern piece. This is going to double the height of your waistband, allowing you to fold it over when worn. Make sure the pins are perfectly aligned with the top of your pattern piece. Use the bottom of the pattern piece to cut the remainder of your waistband. To hack the accent to have a gathered look, we're going to start by extending the length of the accent. Place a pin towards the middle of your accent piece and cut along the side edges and top edge, starting at and ending at the pin we just placed. The ideal length for the gathered accent piece is double the pattern piece. It's okay if your fabric is a little bit shorter or a little bit longer than double the length. Now we're going to cut along the bottom edge and up 1 inch on each side. Use your ruler to line up the side edge of your accent piece. Fold the bottom raw edge of the accent piece up 1 inch and top stitch. Place a gathering stitch on each side of the accent piece. Adjust the gathers to be the same height as the shorts piece. Repeat with the opposite side. Now your accent piece is ready to go. And this is what your shorts will look like with a fold-over waistband and a ruffle accent piece. Great job!